Roots stay strong like a iron tree, from the mountain reach to the sea. Listen closely, feel the bass line. Heavy rhythm mash up the time. Them said the fire gwine blaze tonight. Moon rise up at the earth in light. Man a rebel but me heart stay calm. Part while language turn the city warm. Feel the roots sip it through the ground. Bassline heavy heartbeat pound. Iron roots hold the earth so tight. Dance with the rhythm under starlight. My voice carry rhythm pon the breeze. Ancestors whisper through the trees. Babylon shaking, but we stand firm. Iron bound wisdom, my people learn. Feel the roots, sip it through the ground. Bassline, heavy heartbeat pound. Iron roots, hold the earth so tight. Dance with the rhythm and the starlight. No chain, no fetter, the way me walk. Them can't silence my words, me talk. Drum beat strong, it a heal the land. Raise up your fist, every woman, every man. Roots stay strong like a iron tree, from the mountain reach to the sea. Listen closely, feel the bass line. Heavy rhythm mash up the time. Them say the fire gwine blaze tonight. Moon rise up, bed the earth in light. Man a rebel but me heart stay calm. Part while language turn the city warm. Feel the roots, sip it through the ground. Bassline, heavy heartbeat pound. Iron roots, hold the earth so tight. Dance with the rhythm and the starlight. No chain, no fetter, the way me walk. Them can't silence my words, me talk. Drum beat strong, it a heal the land. Raise up your fist, every woman, every man. Whoa, yeah, we there at tonight. Feel the rhythm, hold on tight. Waves are come like thunder fight. Jah protect we till daylight. The bassline a roll, make your body sway. Stars a twinkle bright, guide we on this way. The moon a rise high, feel light up we play. Reggae dub vibration a take we away. Feel it in your soul, the rhythm not stop. Heartbeat sync with the drum, the vibe a pop. We chant for the healing, the energy crop. Reggae dub uprising, ayo with the on top. Ocean breeze a kiss the fire's glow. Drummers keep the time, make the movement flow. The spirit ignite as the vibes them grow. One love, one heart, make the rhythm show. Feel it in your soul, the rhythm not stop. Heartbeat sync with the drum, the vibe a pop. We chant for the healing, the energy crop. Reggae dub uprising, ayo we dep on top. Jah Jah guidance, we walk in light. Unity build, no need for fight. The universe speaking, rhythm tonight. We all connected, we spirits unite. The bassline a roll, make your body sway. Stars a twinkle bright, guide we on this way. The moon a rise high, feel light up we play. Reggae dub vibration a take we energy away. Feel it in your soul, the rhythm not stop. Heartbeat sync with the drum, the vibe a pop. We chant for the healing, the energy crop. Reggae dub uprising, ayo we dip on top. Jaja guidance, we walk in light. Unity build, nah need for fight. The universe speaking, rhythm tonight. We all connected, we spirits unite. Reggae dub uprising, reggae dub uprising. Ayo we dey on top.
You hear me now, rise up, rise up. Babylon walls about to erupt. Fire burn like Jah will instruct. The lion roar, rough and abrupt. Them think we weak, them never know. We plant the seeds and make it grow. Beat of the drum, make the truth flow. Roots and culture deep we glow. Rise up Babylon, you can't hold me down. Kingston rhythm mash up the crown. The Lion of Judah make the sound. From the ghetto to uptown. Them chains no longer hold me down. My spirit rise above the town. Treading pon dirt yet we're the tone. Make the hills and valleys frown. Echo the rhythm make it boom. My soul a flower for the groom. Green gold altar light up the room. Babylon's days they nearing doom. Rise up Babylon, you can't hold me down. Kingston rhythm mash up the crown. The Lion of Judah make the sound. From the ghetto to uptown.